If we take an ethane molecule, get rid of these hydrogens, and replace it with COOH, the cooh, we get a carboxylic acid. These contain the carboxyl group, which look like a combination of a carbonyl group and a hydroxyl group, and are always placed at the end of the chain. They have this general formula where R is the rest of the hydrocarbon chain. So let's name them. The simplest carboxylic acid is made out of methane with a carboxyl group attached. Drop the letter E and replace it with oic acid, so it's methanoic acid. This is also known as formic acid and is found in these things. Here's another. Identify the longest carbon chain. In this case, it's ethane. Drop the letter E and replace it with oic acid, so it's ethanoic acid. Again, the boiling point of these carboxylic acids depend on the strength of the intermolecular forces. The general rule still applies that as the more carbons you have, the stronger these forces become, so boiling point increases with carbon length. When compared to the alkane, aldehydes, and ketones and alcohols, carboxylic acids rank the highest with boiling point because of these hydrogen bonds between hydroxyl groups, and dipole-dipole forces between the carbonyl groups. It's these forces that also explain its solubility in water. Methanoic to butanoic acids are all soluble in water as the hydroxyl groups can form strong hydrogen bonds with water molecules, and the carbonyl group can form dipole-dipole interactions. As the non-polar hydrocarbon tail increases, like from pentanoic acid onwards, it becomes increasingly difficult for these bonds to form, so the solubility decreases. Carboxylic acids are also known as weak acids as they only partially ionize in water. Take a look at methanoic acid. The small Ka tells us that only a very small percentage actually ionizes into the ethanoate ion and hydronium. Carboxylic acids undergo neutralization reactions with bases to form salt and water. They also react with carbonates to produce salt, water, and carbon dioxide. And they also react with ammonia to form ammonium salts. We'll look into these chemical reactions in more detail in another video.